Have you ever wondered why you basically made zero progress last year? But another guy out there has that made 2023 his year and dominated the year. If you win the mornings, you win the day. If you keep winning days, you win the weeks. If you keep on winning the weeks, you will win the months. And if you win the months, you will win the year. The reason I have become the muscular, productive, present person that I am today is because of some fast tips and tricks, or rather because I had a simple morning routine that made me win the morning. Before I had established a proper routine, I was in the exact same position as you are in right now. Lazy, unproductive, and just wasting away my potential. Until later last year, when I truly figured out the power of having a good morning routine. I built a good body, gained 100 subs, and got a 4.0 GPA while only studying for 2 hours max. Of course, the first step in establishing a good morning routine is to have a reasonable wake up time that you can stick to for the rest of your life. So mine is 6 a.m. It could be 5 a.m. to you. But with this tip, there's not really much I want to say, but you have to be reasonable. I know David Goggins says, "Oh, wake up by 5:30 a.m. and go on a run," but be reasonable with yourself. I've tried 4:30 a.m. Fuck it, I've even tried 4 a.m. And of course, it didn't work out. I'm still back to 6 a.m. 6 a.m. has been the most consistent wake up time that I've ever had. Now that you know the time that you're going to wake up and you're going to sleep, it's time for you to fill out the rest of your routine. But keep it simple. This was the stupidest mistake that I made when I was creating my morning routine. I always wrote down like 20 different fucking habits. Like, oh, 6 a.m. meditate, oh, then 6:05 yoga, then 6 to 10 stretch, then 6:20 workout, then 6:30 stretch again. I'm like, bro, it's just calm down, bro. It ain't that deep. And of course, I never stuck to it. I was never consistent with it. Until later last year, where I literally just made a morning routine that had three habits. Three fucking habits. And it was literally so simple that you could literally do it tomorrow. Literally do it tomorrow. Before you even create your try this out tomorrow. Wake up, or that's not part. Wake up, mindfulness, workout, get ready, sunlight. That's it. That's literally it. So fucking simple. No fancy ass yoga, any fancy ass habits. That's just it. It takes like 1 hour max to complete. But even though that you now have a simple and realistic morning routine to follow, of course, you might still struggle to stay consistent with it. That's why I said later this year, if you were paying attention in the intro. Because for the beginning half of the year, I wasn't really consistent with this morning routine. So what I want you to do is to adopt the mindset that I've been following for the past few months. Just do the bare minimum. As a beginner who's trying to get used to these habits that I've mentioned, just do the bare minimum. If you want to learn more about that, learn more about the concept, do the bare minimum, then click on this video right here. Oh, that was good.